Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, back up and shut the phone down, then remove the 2 pentalobe screws by the lightning port. Once done, set the phone on an ESD mat and use a suction cup to lift the display slightly. Insert a plastic pick to hold the gap. Make sure to pry gently from the bottom edge only, the top is fragile. Next, remove the small metal shields over the display connectors with the tri-point and Phillips bits, and prepare to disconnect the battery before touching the home button. Now focus on the home button. After disconnecting the battery, remove the display board shields and gently lift the display away enough to access the home button bracket. Unscrew that small bracket and locate the round home button assembly. Free its ribbon cable with slow, steady upward motion. You must transfer this original button to any replacement display because Touch ID security is paired to that component. Once the original button is mounted on the new screen and the bracket is secured, reseat the display connectors, but don't fully close the phone yet. Finish reassembly by reconnecting the display connectors in order, then reconnect the battery and briefly power the phone to test the home click and Touch ID enrollment or unlock. Make sure the button clicks smoothly and the phone recognizes your fingerprint. If it does not, stop. Touch ID pairing cannot be restored by third-party parts. In that case, the only way to regain full Touch ID functionality is an official Apple service or authorized repair to repair or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.